Sup guys, Max here. This channel going to be our backup channel because our new channel is Team After. Link is in the description, and yeah, go subscribe it. Why we have a new channel? Because Pera, what I don't know how to call it, so sorry about that, but he has made, or he had, after, what the hell, okay, forget that, After has made it 1 year ago, and we didn't know it, so Para, how to call it, told us you guys are fanboys, so we make a deal, and he gave us the old channel, so we are using that because it's much better. So go subscribe it, and sorry about my bad English, and yeah, yeah. Okay, peace, I'm out.